Okay, yes. So you can see that Bella, Clarice, Darius, Jerome, Ken, Sanvi, Siri, and Zoe, well done. You have submitted your answers to me. Irvi is in. All right, let me mark her attendance. Irvi. Okay. All right, let's start then. Okay, now you have 4 different magnets. All right, they were held at different heights. All right, so they were put at different heights. So we have 4 different magnets. All right, A, B, C, D. So they were put at different heights above a tray of paper clips. So the diagram shows the number of paper clips attracted by each magnet. So if I were you in the exam, all right, so this will be what I do. Just a minute. For this question, the 2 of you got this wrong. Right? So this should be what you will write. 4 paper clips attracted by magnet A. Another 4 more paper clips attracted by magnet B. You can see 2 paper clips attracted by magnet C. And finally, 3 paper clips attracted by magnet D. Then what you do is, in order to have a fair comparison, you must compare the same height. So let me highlight the same height one. So I can see that now which two magnets are on the same height? Can someone unmute yourself and tell me which 2 magnets are of the same height? Louder, please. Okay, let me bring up my volume. Hang on. Okay, my volume is maximum already. Okay. Thank you, Irvi. Irvi, you have put it into the answer. You were saying A and D. So let me highlight.
And B and C.
Yes, so A and D same height. So you can compare A and D. All right. So if you compare A and D, let's just compare A and D first. Okay, B and C is different height, it's higher height. Now A and D, which one is stronger magnet? Can y'all type into the chat? Now you just compare A and D. All right, so just compare A and D. Which one is stronger? Okay. Hang on, Irvi, I'm comparing A and D. So if you compare A and D, all right, so let me compare. Okay, A and D, which is the same height. So if I compare A and D, Irvi, can you tell me which magnet is stronger between A and D? You type in the answer B. Oh, that's an earlier question, is it? Okay, yeah, Irvi, I can see your answer. So it's A. All right, so A is stronger magnet. Okay, so A is stronger than D. All right, how do you know? Can someone unmute yourself and tell me how do you know A is stronger than D?
A attracted 4 paper clips, but D attracted 3 only.
Okay, well done. A attracted more paper clips than D. All right, if I compare just A and D, I'm comparing 2, so I can use the word more. All right, so A attracted more magnets. Sorry, A attracted 4 more paper clips. All right, magnet A attracted more paper clips compared to D. Here, 4 paper clips. Here, only 3 paper clips. All right. Okay. Then I will cancel D straight away. Okay, so because I'm looking for the strongest magnet. Let's say I would want to look for the strongest magnet. Hang on. This is yellow. Okay, I want to look for the strongest magnet. So I will cancel D because A is stronger than D. All right. Then after that, so magnet A is definitely stronger than D. How about if I were to compare A and B? So I'm going to highlight in blue. So although they are of a different height. Now, why is it that I can compare them? Because both of them attracted the same number of paper clips, although different height. All right, but at least there's something that is the same. Just now I compare the yellow with yellow because same height, same height. Something must be the same before you compare. So same height, same height. Okay, the distance above the paper clips is the same height. So when I compare the yellow one, A and D, A is stronger than D because A attracted more paper clips than D. So I will cancel D. D is weaker, so I cancel it away. Then next, I compare A and B. Although they are of a different height, Can you see that here is 4 paper clips and 4 paper clips, same number of paper clips attracted? So can everybody type in the chat, between A and B, who is stronger? All right, between A and B, who is stronger? So I compare A and B, all right, because they both attracted same number. Okay, so both attract 4 clicks, same number of clicks. Therefore, I can compare them. So obviously, all of you are correct. Well done. B is stronger. All right. So how do you know B is stronger than A? Can someone unmute yourself? How do you know B is stronger than A? So I'll therefore cancel the A.
Because B is further away from the power magnet. From
Okay,
the
very
power
good.
paper clips.
Okay, Darius, very good comparing word used by you. You were comparing two, so you use the word further. So magnet B is further away from the paper clips than A. All right, I repeat, magnet B is further away from the paper clips compared than magnet A. All right, than magnet A. Therefore, I'll cancel A. B like win over A. All right, so magnet B, okay, is actually the strongest. So everybody clear? Now I can then compare for these two because same height. So I'm going to highlight a different color. So maybe I will highlight, I got red, I got blue. Let's do green. Okay, so I compare these two. Okay, so green with green. So I use green pen. Okay, maybe I'll highlight the blue one first. This is for the blue part. Okay, so I'm now doing green. So doing green is I'm comparing, okay, B and C. Okay, because both are the same height. Okay, so everybody type into the chat, between B and C, obviously, which one is stronger? Is B stronger than C or C stronger than B? Okay, well done. Those of you who commented in the chat. So obviously B is stronger. All right, B is stronger than C. All right, because B attracted more paper clips. All right, B attracted 4 paper clips. C only attracted 2 paper clips. So B will win over C, right? B is stronger than C. Therefore, the strongest magnet has to be B. All right, so it's like, if I were to cancel C, all right, because B is stronger than C, therefore, then the left, the only one that is not cancelled away, because I cancel A is weaker, C is weaker, D is weaker, the strongest will be B. Okay, let me update the attendance. So answer is, they are asking for which one is correct. So if they want correct, oh no, my color. Okay, you will put a tick. So magnet B is the strongest. All right. C is actually, magnet C may not be the weakest. Okay. So we will know magnet B is the strongest. Is everybody clear? Okay, I will update the attendance now. Eldon, you are here. Before Eldon, somebody. Okay, let me see. Xander is here, right? Let me check. Okay, yes. So I'm only, Toby is not here. Okay, let me just mark present. All right. Okay, let's continue. All right, any questions so far? All right. Now, I wouldn't know whether C is the weakest or not, but definitely no. It's hard to tell actually, all right? But I know B is the strongest, all right? Now, A and B are equally strong, not possible, all right? B is stronger than A, so A and B are equally strong, it's definitely wrong. Right, because B is stronger than A. Then C is, if you're comparing C and D, it's hard to compare. Do you know why? I cannot compare C and D because C and D, different height and different number of clicks attracted. All right. It's really, I would say over here, this magnet can attract 3. But this is further away. So further away, you can attract 2, then I would say, all right, it is hard to tell because it's different height and different number. All right. So you need to have something that is the same for a fair comparison. All right. Because maybe C and D are really, maybe, I'm just saying, maybe C and D equal strength, equal magnetism. But then D is so near to the paper clips can attract 3. Then when you bring it to a higher, then of course it will attract less. So you cannot compare C and D is because you have different height and different number of clips attracted. So you can only have you must have something that is the same, then you can compare. So like for example, I compare A and B because both attract 4 clips, although they have different height. Then I compare A and D because both same height. Then I compare B and C because same height. All right, is everybody clear? I cannot compare C and D because different height, different number. Then so C and D I can't tell. All right. So right. Any questions so far? So I can't tell C is the weakest or not. I also cannot tell from this data. All right, let's go to question 2. Now over here you have let me take a look at the report. So this question, a lot of you are struggling. Now here says that is a mouth, X and Y are organs in the digestive system. You know, so organs like mouth, stomach, right? Can we just go through for revision? Can everybody unmute, or either you unmute yourself, you type into the chat. Can you name me all the organs in the digestive system, starting with the mouth?
Mouth,
After mouth is what?
gullet,
Gullet,
stomach,
stomach.
small intestine, large intestine, and the anus.
Okay, well done, Darius. Small intestine, then followed by large intestine. All right, and then you have anus, where your poop comes out. All right, so can you all tell me which organs have digestion? In which organs do you have digestion?
Mouth, stomach, and small intestine.
Okay, mouth, stomach, and small intestine. All right, so these 3, there's digestion. So I'm going to write here. All right, so there's digestion here. There's digestion here in the stomach. And then digestion in the small intestine. So take note, the rest, no digestion. All right, so no digestion in the gullet, no digestion in the large intestine, no digestion in the anus. All right, now can we revise? What is the function of the large intestine? Can everybody type into the chat? Okay, what's the function of the large intestine? Irby, you wrote down mouth, stomach, small intestine. You're talking about digestion. Huh? Okay, then well done. All right. Jerome, well done. All your sequence is very well done, all correct. But the rest of you, I'm just asking, what is the function of the large intestine? Okay, what's the function of the large intestine? Anyone knows? Large intestine, no, it's not to turn the food into poop, no. All right. You must think of the roots. Now, everybody, I give you a clue. Now, you all remember roots, the plant roots. Roots of plant. Roots of plant absorb what? Absorb water and what?
Minerals.
And minerals from where?
The soil.
Yes, from the soil, all right, or from the ground. So that is the plant, all right? The roots of the plant, okay, absorb water and minerals from the soil, okay? Then large intestine is quite similar, all right? So well done, Irvi. Okay, well done, Darius. Let me see. Well done, Bella. 3 of you perfect answers. Okay, Bella, why do you leave such a big spacing? Okay, you don't enter. Now I cannot see your answer properly. So think of the large intestine like the roots. Now, roots belong to the plant. Large intestine belongs to human being, but the function is about the same. So large intestine, right, the function is to absorb